Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm putting together homemade taco sauce. This is another recipe that goes together very quickly with ingredients you probably already have on hand. So let's get started. We're starting with 1/2 cup of tomato paste. Next is 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dry minced onion, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and I'm using Tango Spice Company's Southwest Sunset red chili powder. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. I've used granulated garlic. It just makes the end product look a little grainy. The flavor is exactly the same. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne or to taste. This is probably closer to a whole teaspoon. Last in is 1 3/4 cups of boiling water. We're just going to whisk this until it's smooth and then it simmers for 20 minutes until it's nice and thick. I've put my taco sauce in this little jar. This needs to come to room temperature, then you can either use it or it can go in the refrigerator for quite some time. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.